Welcome to English Blackboard teacher channel. Okay, today we are going to see on how to tackle extended questions for SPM Cefr speaking paper. So let's see. Okay, what are extended questions? Extended questions are asked in part 3. Extended questions are hot questions. That means high order thinking questions, and the extended questions are always connected with the discussion question in part 3. So what kind of questions may be asked? Current popular issues based on the themes in your textbook. So we need to refer to each theme in the textbook and try to think of a higher order thinking question, a hot question related to the particular theme or the topic of that is present in your textbook. So sample questions is like a question will be asked, and then these questions below will be asked, like what do you think about it, what would you like to say, what do you think, why do you think, do you agree, what will you suggest? Okay, so we continue. How you may answer if you understand the question. So you need to share basically your opinion on the given issue. So there is no right or wrong with your opinion. The only thing that you need to remember is it must be connected with the given question. So if you understand the question, then you can clearly go straight to your point. Like in my opinion, I strongly believe that. Okay, you can be confident in answering. How if you don't understand the question? Okay, how you may answer if you got no ideas and not sure are your ideas right or not. So you don't need to get panicked. You can use these phrases to indicate that you're not sure but you're trying to respond. So these phrases are, in my opinion, in my point of view, I assume that, I'm trying to say that, I would like to share that, I think this might be based on my perspective. So you are not so sure about your ideas, or maybe you don't even understand the question, but you're trying to respond. Okay, just don't get panicked, don't remain silent. You can use these phrases to indicate that you're trying to respond. Okay, language plus points. Always remember language expressions. You need to express your opinions and agreements. So you need to remember language expressions relating to opinions and agreements. And next is language plus point is always use connectors to indicate each point. Okay, example of connectors given are the ones that are red in color here. So these are how you need to start your point, you need to end your point, because it will be well organized for the examiner or the teacher to know what you're speaking about. So that is all for today's lesson. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next tutorial. Thank you. Hope this sharing will be helpful.